Welcome back to Manna Home Design. Inside a brilliant 330 square feet NYC apartment packed with DIY ideas and smart storage. What if just 330 square feet could feel stylish, functional, and full of personality? Today, we're stepping inside a brilliant NYC apartment packed with smart storage solutions, creative DIY projects, and design ideas that make every inch count. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiring apartment tours, small space decorating ideas, and beautiful home design inspiration. Now, let's explore how this stunning small apartment transforms limited space into a home that's both practical and unforgettable. Living room styling. Designing a small living room often means choosing between comfort and style. In this apartment, both work together beautifully. The living area feels cozy and inviting while still maintaining a strong design identity through carefully selected patterns and textures. The Dalmatian-inspired rug anchors the seating area and creates a clear visual boundary between zones. Layered with a zebra print pillow, black and white artwork, and subtle greenery, the room feels dynamic without overwhelming the limited square footage. One lesson from this space is that small room design doesn't require large furniture. Strategic pieces, intentional styling, and visual contrast can make even the smallest living room feel polished, comfortable, and uniquely personal. Bedroom oasis. After a busy day, your bedroom should feel like a retreat. In this small apartment, the sleeping area was designed to be calm, soft, and restorative while still reflecting the owner's creative personality. Neutral tones, layered textures, and subtle geometric details create visual interest without relying on bold colors. The upholstered storage bed adds warmth and elegance while helping maximize every inch of available space. If your bedroom feels crowded or stressful, consider reducing visual noise and focusing on texture instead. This approach creates a relaxing atmosphere that feels both luxurious and practical, especially in compact apartments and small homes. DIY rattan cabinet. One of the most impressive features in this apartment didn't come from a designer's showroom. It started as a discarded cabinet found on the curb and became a beautiful custom storage piece through a simple DIY furniture makeover. Fresh paint, updated hardware, natural rattan panels, and wood detailing completely transformed the cabinet. Beyond its appearance, it now serves an important purpose by organizing art supplies and creative materials in a stylish way. This project is a great reminder that budget-friendly home decor often comes from seeing potential where others don't. With a little creativity, second-hand furniture can become one of the most unique and functional pieces in your home. DIY textured artwork. Artwork doesn't have to be expensive to make a big impact. In this apartment, simple circular canvases were transformed into custom textured wall art that perfectly complements the surrounding decor. By adding plaster and carving organic patterns into the surface, the artwork creates dimension and visual interest while maintaining a soft, neutral aesthetic. The result feels high-end, modern, and completely personalized. If you're looking for affordable wall decor ideas, textured art is a great option. It adds character, warmth, and sophistication while allowing you to create something that feels truly unique to your own space. Workspace with a view. Working from home becomes much more enjoyable when your workspace feels inspiring. In this apartment, the desks were intentionally placed near the brightest windows to take advantage of natural light and city views. Good lighting not only improves productivity but also makes a small room feel larger and more open. The workspace doubles as a creative studio, providing an environment that's functional, motivating, and visually appealing. If you're creating a small home office, prioritize window placement whenever possible. A bright view, organized storage, and thoughtful layout can dramatically improve both focus and comfort throughout the day. Smart storage solutions. Storage is one of the biggest challenges in small apartment living. Without a plan, clutter can quickly take over valuable square footage and make the entire home feel cramped. This apartment solves that problem through hidden storage opportunities. The bed contains built-in drawers, the ottoman stores everyday items, decorative boxes conceal essentials, and a rolling cart provides flexible kitchen organization. The key takeaway is that every piece of furniture should work harder in a compact home. Multifunctional furniture allows you to maximize storage while maintaining a clean, stylish, and organized living environment. Kitchen coffee station. Even the smallest kitchens can feel efficient and welcoming when every item has a purpose. This compact kitchen corner proves that limited space doesn't have to limit functionality. A rolling cart serves multiple roles at once, storing appliances, organizing supplies, and creating a dedicated coffee station. The setup keeps essentials accessible without taking up valuable countertop space. For anyone struggling with kitchen organization, creating defined zones is a simple but effective strategy. It improves workflow, reduces clutter, and makes daily routines feel easier and more enjoyable. Hallway gallery wall. Long hallways are often overlooked, but they offer incredible opportunities for personalization. In this apartment, an otherwise empty corridor became one of the most meaningful areas in the home. Collected postcards from museums, restaurants, bars, and exhibitions were organized by color and displayed on magnetic boards. Each piece tells a story while adding visual energy to the space. This is a great example of how home decor can reflect personal experiences rather than simply following trends. The most memorable interiors are often the ones that showcase the people who live in them. Bathroom and final reflection. As we reach the final space in this small apartment tour, you'll notice that the design philosophy remains consistent. Simplicity, texture, and thoughtful details continue to shape every corner of the home. The bathroom relies on layered textures, subtle greenery, and monochromatic styling to create a fresh and calming atmosphere. Even small updates can dramatically improve how a space feels and functions. Perhaps the biggest lesson from this apartment isn't about furniture or decor at all. It's about creating a home that supports your lifestyle, reflects your personality, and gives you a place to recharge. No matter the size, a well-designed home can make everyday life feel more enjoyable and meaningful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this apartment tour, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore more small space design inspiration right here on the channel. See you in the next home tour.